welcome to the next session where we would be learning about slicing. All right, so let's first take a list. So I am naming this slicing. Okay, so now over here, let's quickly make a list. List 1, which is equal to, let's take some of the fruits names. Okay, so I'll take apple, banana, kiwi, mango. We can also take melon, orange, maybe we can take cherry, or maybe we can take grapes. All right, let it be this one, this much. All right, so why did I take so many lists? What do you understand by the word slicing? Slicing means cutting, right? So let's say I just want mango, melon, and orange from the list, or let's say I want apple and banana from the whole list. So definitely we are not going to pop out everything. We can just try doing the slicing part over here. I'm sure you till now know about what exactly indexes are, right? So if I count, this is 1. Is this 1? No, this is 0. So we start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 in these indexes. That means I have written 7 fruits name. All right. So now if I want to do a small slicing, let me just first of all print list 1. Let me first just give the index. Let me see if this prints banana or not. It does, right? Now I want from banana to orange. So apple, banana, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th one. Let's see if I write down 5, will it give me, I'm writing down colon. This means I'm specifying the range over here. Okay, so we are specifying the range from start. Where do we need to start from until where do we need to go? But let's see if it works or not. So if I click on 1, see, it gives still melon. So I'm sure you remember the for loop. What happened in the range? It stopped there. That means as soon as it will start entering the 5, it will stop there. That means as soon as it recognizes that I am going to search for the 5th index, I won't count it anymore. All right. So this is how we do it. Now there are a few more things which I would like to share about in this. That is, let's say if I remove this, the one which was there, and if I try to run this, see, it'll give me all the fruits which is before orange. Now, what if I remove this as well? What do you think should happen? Everything will be printed from 0 to the last index. So basically, this means everything in the list. Now, there is also a few more things. There is also something known as negative indexing. If I write down minus 1 over here, it will give me the last word, that is the grapes. All right. And if I do something like this, I get everything but not grapes. All right. So you can just go play around and try to look what's happening whenever you write different numbers. See, I wrote -3, -1, -2, -3. Melon, orange, grapes. It's giving me all the numbers till the end. So this is about slicing. Okay, so let this be this much for this session. I'm giving you a small question over here to solve. Okay, I would really love you to solve these queries, because it will help you a lot to do many more stuff. Okay, now there are few questions. One question is this: write a program to ask the user to enter 10 numbers and put them in a list and print maximum and minimum from the list. And I'm sure you know this if you have followed my tutorial on the list, right? Okay, now the next thing which I really want you to comment me below is that what is the difference between pop and remove? Okay, I would really love you to tell me if you know what is the difference between pop and remove. You need to comment this, okay? Comment it down below. Now, I'm giving you a list over here, all right? Use the slicing and print this second position. Okay, so I'm just putting it in front of you. So let's say this is your list. This is your list. Okay, now what you need to do is that you need to use this list and print the values from the second position, 0, second position, 1, 2, all of these. All right, you need to print all of these with the help of the slicing. So these are 3 things which you need to do. Pause it, try to solve it, comment it down below, and let me see if you can do it perfectly, or do you, how you do it, like do you do it in negative indexing or do you do it in positive indexing, how you solve it. I would really love to see that. So that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video where we would be talking about the rest of our data structures, which is set and dictionary. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next session.